This tutorial shows how to set up BackShatter as an external editor in Lightroom. BackShatter can easily be added to your workflow for editing your underwater images in Lightroom for any supported image format, including RAW files. On your Mac, go to the Lightroom menu and select Preferences. Then select the External Editing tab. Go to the Additional External Editor area and then select the Choose button. Go to your Applications folder, then select BackShatter and the Choose button. If you are on Windows, go to the Edit menu inside Lightroom and select Preferences and the External Editing tab. Go to the Additional External Editor and select the Choose button. Go to the Program Files folder and select the BackShatter folder. Then select the BackShatter Standalone folder till you get to the BackShatter exe file. Select the exe file and the Choose button. You can set your file format to either TIFF or JPEG. It is unlikely to make any visible difference in the exported image. Set the bit depth to 8 bits per component and the color space to sRGB. I recommend keeping the option Stack with Original on. Pick the drop-down menu again, then pick Save Current Settings as New Preset. Type in the preset name of BackShatter and select Create. Now you can send your edited Lightroom images directly into BackShatter. After adding BackShatter as an editor for Lightroom, go to Develop and edit your photos. Here's a tip. Use detail and add some noise reduction to the image in Lightroom. This will make it easier for BackShatter to find and fix BackScatter in your photo. Unless your photo has very little noise, you probably want to turn down the sharpening too. After you have edited an underwater image that needs correction in BackShatter, right-click on the photo and pick Edit in and BackShatter. The dialog comes up and you will want to edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments. BackShatter will start with your image applying all of your current Lightroom changes. Now you can fix your photo in BackShatter using all of the commands that let you quickly erase BackScatter from your underwater photos. When you are done with the corrections in BackShatter, select Save and you have the option to use the new name that BackShatter suggests, or you can overwrite the existing image by selecting it. By overwriting the existing image, you will have the original image and the fixed one in a stack in Lightroom. If you save it as a new image, you will need to synchronize the folder to see the fixed image in your Lightroom catalog. Close BackShatter and you are back in Lightroom. Like any photo edited with an external editor in Lightroom, the fixed image won't have any history, but you can make adjustments as needed. With the BackScatter removed, you may find that white balance or contrast changes that made the BackScatter more prominent will now improve the photo. If you ever see a problem where the fixed photo is not showing up in the Develop section of Lightroom and you are seeing BackScatter that you fixed and saved, go to the Preferences command again. Select the General tab and turn on Treat JPEG files next to RAW files as separate photos. Then restart Lightroom. This should keep the photos in sync with the ones you saved from BackShatter. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to use BackShatter as an external editor with Lightroom. Stay tuned for more videos that will show you how to get the most out of BackShatter.